guys, it's your girl Lorianne. I forgot my own English. What's going on, guys? It's your girl Lorianne and I'm back again with another video for you guys. Hola chicos y chicas, hoy tengo un nuevo video para vosotros. Today I'm gonna be cooking one of my favorite Nigerian dishes, which is vegetable. Anyways, you can eat this with rice or yam, and I prefer it with yam, let me not lie. This is my favorite dish. So I'm gonna leave the ingredients down in the description below, so go check them out. And yeah, like, subscribe, and let's get into it. Now I got my mom to do the pressing of the leaf because I'm too lazy and I'm not that strong. I also got her to cut the fish because back then I wasn't able to do it, so it was too hard. I just said, "Mommy, can you help me?" So she did it for me. Next, I'm gonna put the oil in the fire so it gets hot, like really, really hot. And yeah. Might be wondering, what is she doing? Well, right now I'm picking out stones, dirt, like paper, stuff like plastic that is in the sea, because they bring this from Nigeria and these people do not clean this or anything. Someone tells me, you know what, you have to pick it out before you use it to cook, so that's what I'm doing. Next, I'm gonna put the fish in the fire because the oil is very, very piping hot. As you can see now, watch 3, 2. Fam, I was scared. This is life or death situation. But now I'm gonna wet the crayfish, as in I'm gonna clean it with water and take out the sand in it. And then I'm gonna check on my fish. As you can see now, it's got nice and golden. And I'm gonna take it out. This next step is quite self-explanatory. Like, you can tell I'm cutting 2 onions. Like, I'm gonna cut the onions, slice them a little bit inside this. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, I'm just slicing onions. Now that I've finished cutting the onions and the scotch bonnet, I am going to fry these for a couple of seconds. I've got the crayfish right there, the leaf right there, and the fish right there looking nice. So now I'm going to put some oil in the pan. I measured the oil because I wasn't really sure. Not too much oil, not little oil, you know the vibes. So I'm going to fry these for a couple of minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes, and then yeah, finish. Well, now it's been a couple of 2 minutes or so now it's time for me to add my leaf inside my thing. But I'm going to use that oil. You see right there, I used the fish oil. I'm going to use it for the leaf to have like a fish taste. So, because I like it. I don't know, since when I was grew, my mom uses it. So I saw her doing it, so that's what I'm going to do. Right now, I'm frying the leaf. I'm going to put it inside Why do I call it leaf? Oh my god, I'm so off. But anyways, the spinach, I put it inside the pan, and I'm mixing it. Mix. Well, I couldn't record the whole thing because I'm recording with one hand and cooking with the other, which makes absolutely no sense. That's why I need the tripod. But now I'm putting the oil inside. Don't put a lot at the first start, or don't put too small, because it kind of burns. If you know the vibes, you know the way. Yes. But yeah, just keep turning it and keep adding some oil so it doesn't burn onto the pan, if you get what I mean. Tactics. Well, it's been a couple of minutes. Now it's time to add the crayfish. I know some people don't like to add it, but I love crayfish, so that's why I add a lot. Like a lot. Well, now my sister helps me to record now. Yeah, she's so nice, but ciao. Anyway, so see me mixing the crayfish inside. I thought it was not enough. Like, I really like the so yeah. Now I'm adding some more oil to it, and I'm gonna mix it, and then I'm gonna add Maggi and salt. Yeah, don't add too much Maggi because it tastes disgusting if you add a lot. Don't add too much salt because it's gonna taste disgusting. Okay, so measure your stuff. So 1 tablespoon of salt is kind of enough. You know the vibes. Well, I've just tasted it and it kind of lacked a bit of Maggi. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit more, just a tiny little bit, just a little bit, not too much, but yeah, I'm gonna add it. I think I'm adding a little bit of salt. So keep watching.
See the beat guy.
And finally, we are on the last step, which is adding the fish. So now I'm gonna add the fish. Now, disclaimer: please do not be harsh when turning the leaf now, because you might break the fish inside the leaf. Okay, so the reason I'm adding it now is for it to get flavor at this point. Like it should, the succulent flavor of the leaf, you know. Oh my god, with this leaf, Lorraine, leaf, spinach, get it in your head, spinach. Oh my god. But anyways, yeah, now I'm just turning this for you to get some of the taste, and I'm gonna leave it to sit for a little while. See, set, whatever. Well, this is the end of the video. As you can see, I've already finished. And if you saw my socials, I ate this with rice. Look at it, nice and bougie, and some milk on the side. You know, mwah, beautiful. Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching this video. Muchas gracias por ver este video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. DM me whatever food tutorials you guys want me to do, and I'll try to make them as quick as possible. This is Gurll Lorianne and I'm gone.